Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to open an image in GIMP on your Windows PC. First, open GIMP from the Start menu. Once GIMP is open, you'll see the main GIMP workspace. To open an image, go to the top left corner and click File. From the File menu, select Open. A file selection window will now appear. This window allows you to browse through the folders on your computer and find the image you want to open. Now, navigate to the folder where your image is saved. For example, your image might be inside the Pictures folder or the Downloads folder. Once you find the image, click on it to select it. After selecting the image, click the Open button. GIMP will now load the image into the main workspace. Depending on the size of the image, it may take a few moments to open. Once the image appears in the center of the GIMP window, it means the image has been successfully opened. You can now see the image inside GIMP and start editing it using the available tools. There is also a faster way to open an image. Instead of going through the File menu, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+O. Press Ctrl+O, select your image, and then click Open. This shortcut can save time when you frequently open images in GIMP, so let's quickly review the process. Open GIMP, click File, select Open, find your image, select it, and click Open. You can also use Ctrl+O as a shortcut, and that's how you can easily open an image in GIMP on Windows in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful tutorials.